Hey guys, you're watching 1767, and today I am literally revealing dragmmonz. So, if you guys wondering why are you not revealing any dragmmonz, the answer is because I haven't been able to get some of these. Finally get one. This wasn't in the store. I got it from a school. And if you know Madison, then you may know that I got raffle tickets in the school, and then I won. That's what it is. Well, let's not talk about the heebie-jeebie stuff. Also, I haven't done a video in I think weeks, and this is better if I had videos, and yeah, I did. Also there were some toys I did. There were 2 Snap Squads I didn't put in a video. Also, there was a mini Dominion dry school toy that I didn't show, but now I'm finally able to show a toy. So it's dragmmonz single pack. Smash the bell on the top. Right here, dragmmonz. It's a single pack. You know what it is. 1 dragon, 6 assorted trading cards. If you don't see the thing itself, I'm sorry. And then there's a snitch battling Reaver, bottom, and stuff. Well, let's stop and let's go open this thing. These I haven't. If you're all wondering how did I got dragmmonz, it started in 2019 where Ethan got dragmmonz. That's my cousin, and he has Elshire channel. But all of that, he did dragmmonz and then he gave mine dragmmonz and then he got dragmmonz and stuff like that. It's a long story. And he also has some videos about dragmmonz, so that's something. Alright, we gotta pull this here. We have to pull this for a single pack. Pull this here. There's just only 1 tab. If you do multi-packs, then it'll be 2 tabs. So that's cool. Okay, it stops here. You open it. Wait, before that, there's more tabs. Okay, so we get a deck of cards. We're not gonna open this yet. And we got an egg. This is a Grimrath egg. There's the bottom in it. You're supposed to smash it, and there's also a couple other ways, but I'm gonna do the original smashing thing. I mean, this is your cards. You get 6 cards, and then we got 1 egg. And I've got dragmmonz before. Here's this egg. Pretty cool. I'll smash it. 3, 2, 1. Okay. And you can smash it again. Okay. What do we get? Okay, we get this out, this out, this out. Oh, I think you can see it. Alright, I got one I already have. So this is a normal Shadow Fang. Well, they got anything surprising. It's just Shadow Fang. Oh gosh. This is so sticky. Oh well. Okay, try and get there's a piece over here. Oh well, Shadow Fang looks cool. You may have seen him already. It's a little hole. He looks cool. He's bendy. Stuff. Next are the cards. They're too easy to just rip open. So this gives you random cards. But this time this gives you a lot of stuff. So we got Shadow Fang, got the stuff. Shadow Fang, got Shards of Fire, Shotcrete, Tendril Trap, Jetstream, and Poison Charge. That's some stuff. So that's the cards that I get. 2 Stone Scale cards, 1 Wild Thorn card, 1 Stormclaw card, and 1 Cytoxin card. And this card too. And another dragmmonz just add here. And there's some more dragmmonz. There's one of my first videos where I did some dragmmonz stuff. So yeah, it's dragmmonz. And hope you liked this video. And one more thing is that the collection, this is wave 1.5, but this is not wave 1. It has the legendary mystics. Because I almost forgot. Find the legendary mystics. Yes, you get these. So that's what you get. So if you've enjoyed this video, and sometimes I sneeze, it's okay. So subscribe, like, and drop a comment if you want to comment.